Today is day 3 of my 30-day diet, and Haku, my grandson, has decided he's going to help me today. So we'll see how it goes. If he gets to help me again, it's already not going well with the glasses on his head because he doesn't need glasses. But where's the menu for today? You can't see it. Is it on the other side? Oh, here, right here. Okay, here we go. Do we know what we're making? Do you remember?
Let me show it closer.
Ham and home fries for breakfast. And then we're going to have tossed salad and leftover steak for lunch. And then for dinner, we're having Kalua pig and cabbage. And then we're going to have, for snacks during the day, we're going to have nuts, half the papaya from the other day, some pickles, you have to hold it still, honey, some tomatoes, and cucumbers. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
You like all that food?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. The first thing we're going to do is the home fries. And this is the Micro Pro Grill. And this is a piece of ham. You can cut the ham up and put it with the fries, or you can put it separate. So we'll do it separate. You put it in. And you go 300. 300. 00. And start. Start this down. Good job. Okay, and we'll start getting the snack ready. We're gonna start getting the snacks ready because this is the Kalua pig and cabbage. And this, we did the other lunches the last few days, but this is the real person lunches. Can hold more food in it. So every day it should get a little bit easier because you already prepared stuff yesterday, so you don't have to prepare as much every day. So here is cucumbers that I cut up the other day. They can go in here. Does that look good?
Yeah.
You like cucumbers?
Not too much.
Not too much. So cucumbers. You want to put tomatoes in here? Okay, that's enough, I think. You have to be able to close it. Okay, thank you. And then pickles. Just put a couple pickles. I like pickles. And they fit right in there. And then when I had my celery and chicken salad, I had extra celery sticks. I'm not sure. I like chicken salad with tomato instead, but the celery sticks are okay. So those go in there. So now you have healthy snacks. You have pickles, celery, cucumber, and tomatoes. You can get in there anytime you want. We're all ready. Another snack is the nuts. I did the nuts yesterday, so I don't have to measure them out today. And then another snack is a fruit. And this is the first smart. It keeps the fruit fresh. So the papaya has been in here. You see the papaya? Do you like papaya?
Yes.
Yes. What did you do? I cut it up. See, you can have the papaya. It's already ready. So you see how much easier it is when you started preparing stuff during the week, right? And then this is the salad I made the other day. I made quite a couple of them when I was doing it. So that's a salad. It's still fresh because it's in the Fruit Smart. It has the dressing with it. So I have to grab this, and then when I made the steak. Okay, Grandma will grab it because it's hot. I used the leftover steak and put it in here. You can freeze it, or you can put it in the refrigerator. You can microwave it like this, or you can eat it cold and put it on the salad. Depending on my mood is what I do. So we already have, that was funny, huh? So we already have our salad done. Our salad and our snacks. Almost done, huh? Steak. He wants to help for a while though. This is the ham and this is the ham for the home fries. It's hot, okay? You see how it browned it? Pretty good, huh? In the microwave.
What?
It made it brown, just like we fried it on the stove.
I don't get it.
That's tricky. Tupperware is tricky, huh?
I don't get it.
Why it got brown? Because this is really hot. So then the home fries are from the grilled potatoes. Watch the grilled potatoes and asparagus. So all of this is cooked already. I said, all this is cooked already. It's just a matter of warming it up to make a great breakfast, right? Right. Good job. Put it on for about 3 minutes again. It only takes about 3 minutes to warm it up. And then my helper cleans these all up later, huh? You're not my helper, I know that.
Who is?
I'll tell you after.
Papa?
No, Papa doesn't help them.
Uncle Randy Boy?
Do you think Uncle Randy Boy helps me?
No, usually he just goes in his room and just
Yeah, and I do everything myself.
and he just goes like this.
Okay, this is the multi-cooker, and we're gonna put Kalua pig, and we're gonna put cabbage on it, and we're gonna steam it. This is specially lined with holes so that the microwaves don't touch the food. Only the steam touches the food, so it truly steams it. We have to put the Kalua pig first. You're a good helper. Okay, we need to put water in here.
Fresh water.
Fresh water, yes. We don't need any water that's not fresh. You want to put this in there? You want to come out? Almost. Okay, gotta spread it on the bottom.
And put some cabbage. Healthy.
Healthy, yeah, it's healthy. Grandma likes to cook healthy food. Okay, now we gotta show everybody how we spread it on the bottom.
Okay.
Okay. Spread it on the bottom. Okay, this has been cut up and in the fridge smart to keep it fresh. Put it in. I'm making enough for a couple people because my husband's eating this too. Everybody needs to eat. Everybody needs to lose weight in our family, huh?
Not too much.
Not too much? Okay. Just mostly grandma, right?
Not mostly you.
Oh?
Not mostly you.
Oh.
Randy Boy.
Uncle Randy Boy is skinny, silly. Okay, so.
Mommy.
Mommy? Okay, this should be warm enough.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's
This is
see
already.
how it looks like.
It was already cooked, cooked, so we're just warming it up. So it's nice and hot. And we'll leave this on the side so you don't touch it. Nahaku. Okay, so now we have the cabbage in here and water.
Minutes.
I gotta clear it somehow. Where's my glasses you were playing with?
Don't start.
Okay, put 500. Okay, very good.
5 minutes.
5 minutes. What are you gonna do for 5 minutes?
Dance.
You're a big help. Okay, so the Kalua pig was in the vent and serve, and it was in the freezer. So when you make Kalua pig or you have leftovers from a party, you can just stick it in here, and you can freeze it. You can freeze it until you're gonna use it, and then take it out and defrost it. What are you looking for, honey? Oh, thank you. You can take defrost it and then warm it up. You can take it straight from the freezer and put this in the microwave. You just vent this. You just vent this, stick it in, and microwave it. Microwave it for like 3 minutes to start, then stir it and check, and then it's cooked already. So you just have to reheat it. But
I'm gonna go get something.
so you have to just freeze it and reheat it, and that way it'll be easier to eat. So that's how it's easier to make Kalua pig and cabbage. And then the same thing with this. You know when you have taco salad or you make tacos and you put hamburger meat with the taco, you fill this up to this line here, and you stick it in the freezer. You put the name tags and you put taco meat, and then you can use that on salad to make it a taco salad. So it seems boring sometimes when I make 5 of these salads at the beginning of the week. But sometimes I'll have it as a taco salad at night. Sometimes I'll have it with leftover chicken or steak. So it's not as it's not boring at all. It's a different salad all the time. And you know when you go to the store, salads are expensive.
I'm back.
Salads can be like $7, $8, $9, and you're not getting anything more. Matter of fact, you're probably getting more when you make it yourself. Behave, okay? Behave.
This sketch took me 5 minutes today.
Okay, thank you. You gonna help me again?
Yes,
When?
right now.
So we have a lot of different products, but it's easier when you start prepping food, and then every day it'll get easier because a lot of stuff is cooked already. That's enough already. We'll see how it's looking.
Let's see how it turns out.
Because one thing with Kalua pig and cabbage and any food, it's easier to
Stir it.
no, it's easier to cook it longer, but it's not as easy to uncook it. So it's better not to overcook it, but to undercook it.
Start.
And I made a big thing of Kalua pig and cabbage so everybody could eat it tonight.
It's a good thing.
It's a good thing. We can also put the potatoes back in the potato keeper. Don't touch it, it's hot.
Hot.
Ah. Oops.
Oh no!
What? Uh-oh, what happened? What happened? Our screen went down. Hopefully your screen didn't. But
Sorry.
stop pulling on that. Every time before I cook, just so that you know, everything is disinfected. So if you pick up something from the counter has been disinfected. Right?
Okay.
Okay. So the ham and potatoes. Now how to stop it? The ham and potatoes can all go in here, and when we're ready to eat breakfast,
It can be ready.
It's all ready already. We can just take it out.
It's all ready. You can just take it out, get a fork, and eat it.
No, you have to pull. What do you do when you put it in the microwave? You lift this up, vent it, not all the way out, honey. Vent it, and then stick it in, and it warms it up more. Okay, so
So it won't be too cold.
Right? So that's breakfast. This is snacks, lunch, snacks. And we're just about done day 3. Is that pretty good? Was that fun?
Yeah.
We'll see if this is getting done. I know a lot of people don't like,
Little pig.
no, they like the pig. They don't like the cabbage too smushy. It's like some people like it really smushed up and some people don't. So it takes a few minutes for the water to get hot and start steaming it.
How can we keep staring at me?
Who's staring at you?
You.
Ha ha ha. And this has, we just put it in for another minute or 2. Uh-oh.
Hello. Oh yeah. Oh, the haku.
Okay, don't stop it already.
Hello.
Other thing is that Tupperware has some awesome knives. And it's really good when you have kids in the kitchen.
Oi.
Yeah, you're not supposed to touch the knives, right?
Yeah, I am 6 years old.
Yeah, 6 years old. But the knives have covers.
Oi.
They have covers, so if the kids grab them, yeah, you can't get hurt with it.
I grabbed it. I can't get hurt.
Good job. But you gotta make sure kids are safe when they're helping you, right?
Yeah.
Guaranteed 50-50 chance put it on right or not, and I put it on wrong. Every time.
Covers of nice. Oh.
Okay? Think we're done?
Not ready.
Yeah, we're done.
This
Okay. Kalua pig and cabbage.
Check.
Ready to be eaten.
Eat right now?
Do you want some right now?
Yes.
Okay. We'll give them some corned beef and cabbage. All right. Say bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching us.
Thanks for watching this. I'm gonna do my happy dance.
Is that your happy dance? Okay, this is Uncle Drew's idea to have you help me. Bye.
Okay.